This Fairfax Realty Select property video is presented by Meyer, licensed DC/MD/VA. Back on market after lovely remodeling of new paint, flooring, mailboxes and outside light and new bathroom vanity and bathtubs glazed. Lovely, home with 2 units that the owner has rented out in the past. Roof installed January 2019. Large front yard with huge front porch to relax on and have a cup of tea and visit with friends. Unit 1 is enormous and consists of 2 levels, first level and lower level. New flooring. New paint. New bathroom vanity. Bathtub glazed. Fridge and stove replaced with fridge and stove from used fridge store. It has a large living room, a bedroom, a guest bedroom/den/office/study and a full bathroom on the first level. New door installed in the guest bedroom/den/office/study. Unit 1 also has, on the lower level, a huge recreation room, a very large eat-in kitchen with lots of cabinets for storage and lots of countertops for meal preparation, a mud room, a washer/dryer hookup and a door leading outside to the enormously long backyard. Lots of room for plenty of storage in Unit 1. Unit 2 has new paint and flooring, bathtub and sink glazed. It has a large living room, kitchen, full bathroom and a bedroom. Enormous backyard has plenty of room to entertain, play games and socialize. The bus stop is Extremely Closeby, only 4 minutes walk. For more information, review the details below or contact Meyer, licensed DC/MD.